how to check your Amazon affiliate earnings. So I've just Google searched for Amazon Associates, and we want to click on this first website, which is affiliate-program.amazon.com. So once we open up this Associates Central, just make sure you log in into your account from the right hand side. And here we can hover over reports, and then you will see this option for earning reports. So once we click on it, then it will actually show us a detailed list of all of the commissions that we have earned throughout the lifespan of our account. Or we can just do this. So we can do custom ranges, we can do the last 30 days. It is automatically going to be on the last 30 days, but you can do just for today, for yesterday, and the last 7 days. But basically here it will show you the summary of earnings, the commissions, and the bounties. So you can also see some more details if you scroll down and your total earnings here for the bounties. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.